What's up, guys? Coming to you from Downs Insurance Agency.
Yes, sir.
We've got Tommy Downs going to be playing Connect4 with us April the 16th.
Yep.
I don't know what time you're playing, but you're playing sometime
That day. I'll be there.
Sometime that day. Well, we're going to play a little game of Connect4. Tommy, I appreciate you jumping in and doing this. Thank you so much.
Definitely. Anything.
Kenny and I appreciate it. You know, this month we're all the money is going to the L&N Depot, Historic Rail Park. Hashtag Save the Depot. So tell us a little bit tell them a little bit about yourself.
Yeah. We're the Downs Insurance Agency. We've been here for a few years in Bowling Green, and we do all lines of insurance: home, auto, business, life, you name it. We'll find a place to put it. And you know, we're just a small business, family owned. Me and my wife and some other family members all work here, and we just try to do the best we can for everybody. And we're decided to get involved with this with Trent. We're playing for our charity. It's going to be the Down Syndrome Group of South Central Kentucky. And I have a poster here that they're going to have a inaugural, their first ever time, a pre-derby gala at La Gala on April 26th. So if anybody wants tickets, call our office. We'll set you up. And but hopefully they'd love any support you can give them as well.
Awesome. So that's going to be your charity for the box.
It is. It is.
Awesome. Well, good luck.
Thank you.
And
well, I hope it wins.
you know, this is hashtag Connect4Charity, and now I guess you know I'm at your home. So
by all means, you go first.
Are you sure?
You're my guest.
All right. Well, it's hashtag drop the check. We're going to play a game here. 1 of 1.
All right, I'm gonna have to look on this side. I can't see too good.
Oh,
There we go.
can you still see it over there? Okay. You good?
Yeah, perfect. Beautiful.
And you know this. What's so fun is it starts off and you don't really think about what you're doing, then all of a sudden you get the strategery going, and it's like, you know, now where am I going next?
I know it's not a game you play very often.
It's not, but I'll be honest with you. I have we tried.
I just thought I'd give it a shot.
I'll be honest, Kenny and I have been, there's an app on the phone.
Practicing.
We've been playing this thing. We're like kids. We're like 4-year-old kids playing Connect4. Yesterday afternoon I'd get a text message and it'd be my move. And I don't think I've won yet.
That's funny. Let's see.
Oh, that's a good block. I didn't even see that.
Well, it's not really a block, sort of.
It was a pre-block.
Yeah, there you go.
See, that's when it slows down. You start thinking about it. But guys, be tuning in on April 16th, 10 to 4. We'll be going live. I think we've got like 12 or 13 games that day.
Wow,
I mean,
so that's awesome.
All the money, 100% is going to the L&N Depot. So if you're watching this, tune in live that day.
Yep.
Got to thank you guys for
and L&N Depot, that's a great charity. That's just such a great place for Bowling Green.
Man, it's such a historical place. If you've never been out there, my goodness, it's beautiful.
It's a lot of fun to take the kids out there.
It's I love it. And I got to give Erie Insurance or Downs Insurance props for all of my insurance needs.
Hopefully all of yours.
Yeah, and all of yours
Give us a
coming
call.
soon. Yeah. But yeah, no, they're great to work with. I mean, it was easy. You guys made it so easy, everybody. So thank you guys.
Well, service is the most important thing in insurance. So we try to make sure we offer the best we can, and then it also helps to have pretty good price.
Yeah, and knock on wood, I haven't had to use them other than pay them every month.
Well, that's the way we like it.
That's the way we like it. I'd rather do that than have to use them.
So, it's been going well.
It has. You know, I've seen one game, which this one probably won't happen that way, that actually deadlocked. They
Really?
used every checker,
Oh my goodness.
and nobody won. Yeah.
Oh, I mean, we may get there before it's over.
We might, because I'm not putting one in that line.
I'm hoping you might eventually.
I might have to eventually.
If I count up the empty ones, you may be stuck with it.
Dang. Hashtag block. See, it's fun. And if anybody wants to play, April's full, but May is, we've got some already, and May is Cultivate Kindness, a great charity as well.
Oh, yeah.
So that'll be, we'll talk more about them after we get done talking about the L&N Depot after the 16th.
Now, I believe Cultivate for Kindness, don't they do a mail order box program?
You know, you're going to ask me questions I can't answer right now.
Well, my wife was shopping for boxes last night, and I think she came across theirs.
Well, I spoke with Robin Lloyd. Oh, Connect4. I can't just let anybody win. I think he let me win.
Nah.
Yeah. But thank you, Tommy. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you so much.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you for doing everything you're doing. And be looking for us April 16th. Live all day. #Connect4Charity.